Okay, sorry. Yeah, just give me 1 sec. So there was a question about sculpting from a Z-sphere. You can totally sculpt from a Z-sphere. You can go into Dynamesh. It's totally acceptable. The great thing is you got some tools for this. So if you go to B for brush, I for insert, I believe, you can go insert body IMM parts. So you can literally click and drag out ahead. I'm going to drag this down. Right? Drag it down. Control, click, and drag to merge it all. Use a move brush to change proportions. Let's do this in symmetry. Okay, so you can kind of quickly sculpt out some stuff. Smooth this back. So Dynamesh is also a completely valid way to start. If you want to go from a purely sculpting technique, that's totally fine. You can absolutely do that. And when you go back to if I go back to brush, insert multi-mesh parts, body parts, if I hit M on my keyboard, I can switch between, there's like a female torso, so I could drop in a female torso. All right. There's a male torso, there's male and female arms. And I just Dynamesh it all together. So you can kind of mix and match body parts. You could, in theory, go online. I'm sure there's other IMM parts. So I can go full female arm. Proportions are totally weird, by the way. But yeah, let's do this. I can rotate. So I'll rotate this nightmare character.
The next boss for Silent Hills.
Yeah. Silent Hills PT coming at you.
I hated it.
Yeah. Sad. So, I mean, this is, again, one way to go, I guess. Just not this ugly, of course. Super weird. There's a foot. So, again, there are body parts in this sort of system that you can kind of use. Again, be careful about like the groin and stuff too.
It's like a version of She-Ra.
Yeah.
You just need to Dynamesh and you're good to go.
Dynamesh and it's all good. But like I said, if you wanted a quick start method, this isn't like. Yeah, it's pretty good, eh?
It's like the one
So you guys can go with that method if you want. And then you just let's turn off Dynamesh, use Z-Remesh, so target polycount here. So that is certainly one way to do it. In my case, I did it really sloppy. Oh my God, look what happened to the face.
Oh my God.
Nice. But the topology ain't bad. I mean, the model is terrible, but the topology's okay. Kill me now! Yeah. Kinda